Today we are going to see Lalita Sahasranamam, Shloka 117, recitation and word by word meaning. Maha Kailasa Nilaya Mrulala Mrududorlata Mahaniya Dayamurti Maha Samrajya Shalini. Maha Kailasa Nilaya Mrunala Mrududorlada Mahaniya Dayamurti Maha Samrajya Shalini. Maha Kailasa Nilaya Mrilanam Mridudorlada Mahaniya Dayamurti Maha Samrajya Shalini. Now let's see the word by word meaning. Maha Kailasa Nilaya. Maha means great. Kailasa is the place where Shiva resides. Nilaya means one who sits on some that place. So Maha Kailasa Nilaya means Devi is the power who resides on Maha Kailasa, and Devi is the Bindu in Sahasrara, and Devi is the abode. That means the Bindu means the center of all the chakras that we create while doing a yaga or any other dharma puja. So, since Devi is considered to be the center of the chakra, Devi is called Maha Kailasa Nilaya. Mrulana Mrududorlada. Devi's arms are very smooth and slender like a pair of lotus stalks. That means Devi is very gentle. Devi is there to bless everybody with prosperity, peace and happiness. That's why Devi has a name Mrulana Mrudu Dorlada. Mrudu means very tender or very gentle. And Mahaniya. Maha means great. Mahaniya means Devi is fit to be venerated. That means Devi is the most adorable power who can understand what the devotee is undergoing through emotions as well as the thoughts. That's why Devi has the name Mahaniya. Daya Murti. Daya means mercy. Murti means the form in which Devi is being worshipped. Daya Murti means Devi is the power of compassion. Devi is the personification of mercy. Devi is there to understand each and every devotee. That's why Devi has the name Daya Murti. Maha Samrajya Shalini. Maha means great. Samrajyam means it is kind of like world. We have three different worlds, heaven, our earth and the Patala. So Devi is considered to be belongs to the vast empire of the whole universe. Devi knows how to control it, or Devi is considered to be the chef of all these parts, where Devi decides whom to give the sufficient food, prosperity, and which devotee is really capable of achieving those. So those are decided by Devi. That's why Devi has a name Maha Samrajya Shalini. Maha Kailasa Nilaya Mrunala Mrudu Dorlada Mahaniya Dayamurti Maha Samrajya Shalini. Maha Kailasa Nilaya Mrunala Mrududorlada Mahaniya Dayamurti Maha Samrajya Shalini. Maha Kailasa Nilaya Mrunala Mrududorlada Mahaniya Dayamurti Maha Samrajya Shalini.